So today I am Aditya again come up with a very new topic and literally very important topic and which is Himachal Pradesh on a height risk. So my name is Aditya and I am ex-Navodian, 2 times NDA conference out and related NDA if anyone wanted to clear his doubts and wanted my help. So definitely I help him and he must have to give message on my Instagram handle which is in the description box. And friends, if you like our content and if you watch the full video, then please comment on it that what do you think about this topic, and please also explain it that what do you understand by this. So the Himachal landslides are big concern for our Himachal Pradesh. So basically, firstly, we will understand about that what are the reasons of the landslides. So basically, the landslides is totally based upon we can say not on a single factor. It's based upon on the multiple factors. The first one is we can say the tectonic plates, and second one we can also say about the global warming. Basically, the tectonic plates is about that the movement of our plates. This one is also the reason of the landslides, and like we can see the divergent, the convergent, and different type of uh, the plates movement. So it can also based upon this. And talking about the global warming, and basically the global warming, because of the global warming we can see the high temperature, we can see the high temperature at the time of summers, we can also see that high colds. And because of the global warming we can see the cold is now much more typical than previous. So we can see these type of we can see these type of consequences of it. And talking about one more factor, that if the rain is also much more because of the global warming, because the insolation of the water bodies, because of it also the monsoon were very high, and due to which we can also see the floods in the plain areas, as well as we can also see the landslides in Himachal Pradesh, and the concentrated rainfall which is very dangerous for the slope stability. And recently we can see the cases of Himachal landslides. So we can see the Kangra destruction in the Bhakshu Nag Valley, and in that area we can also see which is situated in McLeodganj. So we can see the brutal flash flooding at there. So it's a very concerned issue for our country as well as for our Himachal Pradesh. And taking the example of Kinnaur destruction, which is quite famous bridge in which the maximum of the personalities, maximum of persons, visitors, they used to take a picture on this bridge, and we can see that the destruction at Kinnaur. And we can also see that one more important factor which always hide from our eyes, that is the dam fragiles Himachal. Basically, if we seen that over 770 dams in high intensity of seismic zones. Basically, the seismic zones is the focus of earthquake, and if we seen that this is the news of the Economic Times. So basically, due to the accumulation of water and due to the accumulation of sediments and different type of minerals, and the sediments which are coming from the high altitude, from the mountains, from the glaciers, and they contract, and we can say they all are accumulated at that area of them. So basically because of this we can see the high pressure at that area, and because of that the cracks are formed, and we can see that the tectonic plates will also react at that place. Because of this, we the resultant in front of ourselves we can see the earthquake. So basically the Kinnaur is also at very high risk because of the dams which are made there. And we can also see that over construction in the hilly terrain, the over construction, we can see that this type of construction is having no engineering, because this type of shape is because we never assume that from which side of any boulder will fall. So definitely this type of over construction at hilly terrain is very dangerous. And we can also look on one more thing, that because every road is having its capability to taking a fixed load, and if we see that because of overloading of vehicles the roads are getting too much pressed, because of this the resultant is the landslides we can see. So basically how can we cure it? Because I think that the curing of landslides landslides is not basis on the geometry and not modifying the slopes, these type all, but we can also think about this, that over construction is also a great cause for it. And if we see that modifying the slope geometry using the chemical agents, and to reinforce means to make strong slope material by using the chemical agents, we can also install some piles, and we can use different type of techniques to restore this. So basically because of this we can see, but we can also examine, and we can also see one more example of Shimla, that in Shimla that the roads, because Shimla is at high altitude and its roads are quite congested, so they releases a new policy in which the visitors who came from different states and who are coming in their private vehicles, so they make ensure that that private vehicles will park at certain distance from the Shimla city, which is about 10 to 15 or 15 to 20 kilometers behind. So basically at that area some travelers and some taxi drivers are there to carry them to further for the Shimla. So because of this we can see the load, which definitely will low down, because the single like 2 3 person are coming in a car, and now they are coming in a traveler or something in a bus. So definitely that it will reduce the load of the road, and it will also reduce the traffic jams, and this is a great implementation of this. And we can also see that that how the construction will work, like this is type of a slope, and we made a type of wall, retaining wall. And because meshy area is means that this is the muddy area from which debris fall, and it will stop behind this, but it would be very strong, that it can hold the total debris from there, by which we can see the road will act. And basically the roads is also having the limited force power, that it will also retain some power, that if we use the high loads on that, so definitely from because of the pressure they will compress, and compression and expansion of the roads definitely hurts them, and because of this we can also see the landslide in that area. So I think that you all understand about this topic and share this video, and please do comment about this, that what do you think about this topic. And definitely I think you like the video. So thank you.